Hi, I'm Candace.
I'm Jordan.
Say hi, I'm Hank.
Hi, I'm Hank.
We're VWLT35, and we're gearing up for a European adventure.
Oh! Good job, buddy.
Welcome to the Battleborn battery build. We built our battery box out of 3/4 ply, nice and strong to support the 4 batteries and the multi-plus. We have space for a wheel well and probably a little bit of extra storage in there and for cables where we need. So now that everything looks like it's working and fitting, we're going to take it out to the van and see how it looks inside. Alright, so we got the battery box in the van, got the batteries in. This is basically going to be the setup. We're just getting going on the electrical system. Battleborn sent us all this gear, so we're super excited to throw it in and get it running. We built the battery box, which you've already seen. Put it in the van, everything fits, that's great news. Now it's just time to wire it up. We're still waiting for some cable, a big crimper. This is the first time we've used 4/0 cable in a system, so it's a little bit of a learning curve. First time we've had a really big inverter. Normally we just had one that plugged into a cigarette lighter. This is a 3000 watt inverter, so it's pretty huge. Much bigger than we thought it would be. It's going to go on the back of the battery box here and then be covered up. The 4 batteries, so 400 amp hours. They're going to sit right on top of the battery box here. Cables route through the bottom here. We have a big solar panel on the roof, and we'll eventually have an Orion charger so we can charge from the alternator while the van's running. But we plan to do most of our charging from the solar. Our main loads are pretty minimal, aside from we do have an induction cooktop. So that'll be the big power suck of the system. The induction cooker, lights, fan. We have our old Dometic fridge that we're going to continue to use, 35 liter. We have a big water tank over on this side, so we'll have a water pump. Not really planning on hot water right now. We'll just use a kettle or cook water when we need it. And that's about it. So the next steps are basically going to be wiring up the battery bank to the Lynx distributor. We have all the pieces for that, and then we are just waiting on an AC/DC panel to get all the loads out to the rest of the van, so we can start switching over the old lead crappy batteries, get those ripped out from under the seat, and switch over to full lithium power. Pretty excited. It's gonna be fun.